You sure you want to go outside? Ollie made a trench. That's it? You're done.
That's it. Yeah, we're done. We like snow, but this is too much snow, Mommy. This is way too much snow.
Oh, maybe not. You done, Bubs? Yeah.
So can I tell you what's terrible?
Huh.
Because I'm a mean dog owner.
I love you.
I want to get an apple and show it to the puppies and then throw it out into the snow and see if their love of apples is greater than their dislike of cold snow and wanting to come back inside.
I guarantee apples are more important than snow. But
Slash,
we keep
I
saying
just-
apples, and now they need apple.
Slash, I just really want to see them go charging through these giant drifts after an apple.
Hold, please.